Yeah, hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. It is February 21st, 2014, and I wanted to go over our trades today. On crude oil, we really analyzed this crude chart really carefully. There was a tremendous entry short at 454.03 in the morning on crude oil, obviously way too early in the morning. Then we had this perfect bounce off the 50. It was a great trade. I didn't take it because it came right at the pit opening. I don't like to trade the pit opening. And I went for 18 ticks. Now finally we have the short. And this short, the 3-line break, 15's down, 50's down, candles outlined in yellow, order flow, stochastic, and momentum are with us on the trade, and bam, down it goes for 13. Now, it was really a pacemaker kind of trade because you can see the big wick. It was coming back. And then it gave us a little candle body, pushed towards our first target, and a little bit more, and then another big wick. And then finally it pushed through to give us a second target at 13. Now this was a great short. We didn't take this because we were in a Russell short, and this went for 30 ticks. It wasn't a miss. It was simply a trade while we were in another trade. The Russell, so we had one winner on crude, and you can see we had 5 trades on the Russell. Now, Russell opened right here, and this really was a perfect setup. I just think it was too early in. It was 9:31:51, only a minute and 51 seconds into market open, and I really thought it was going to roll, but it was just too soon, and it just came rocketing down on me. So that first Russell trade, and actually this was my first trade for the day, was a loser. Then the market chopped around, couldn't take the C candle long because the 50 is falling. Here we go with the 15 red, the 50 red, candles outlined in yellow, order flow, stochastic, and momentum with us, and down we go for 15. Now this was a very tough trade to take because on this candle close, this is a great break of the 50, but the 15 was yellow and slope was 0. And we want to take a trend trade. The trend didn't develop until this candle. This candle was way off the 50. And even though it ran nicely, we just can't chase these trades up. This was a bounce that worked, but it was right into the modified 15. Same thing, this trade, bam, hit it, and down it went. That's why we do not trade into that pivot. See, in this particular case, there was a break. Would have given you a first target. Now, this is the trade that this is really a trade that should have ran. One of the few perfect signals, right? Not around news, not around market open. 50 was up, 15 was up. Candles outlined in blue, order flow, stochastic, and momentum. And it only went 4. Our first target was 5. So by 1 tick, we missed it. Then we got this trade, almost the same trade as the previous one, not this one. Another break of the 50, order flow, stochastic, and momentum are with us. 15 and 50 are up, goes up 11, get a retracement, C candle, comes with a momentum signal, and order flow and momentum with us, and it almost took us out, but it didn't, and it went all the way up 22. It came back and gave a momentum entry, but this is way above our safe zone. This is not we would entertain taking a continuation trade. This is where we would entertain the move retrace further back into the 50. The close of this candle was at, or the open of the candle was at 53, and the 50 was at 32. So it was 21 ticks off the 50. And we really looked to get them 19 max, optimally 16. So in retrospect, it looks great, but it was a very risky entry, and we weren't going to risk it. At least I wasn't going to risk it. And that was it for the day. So here's how we wound up. No great day. I'll tell you, no great day today. But this was a difficult market. And it's been difficult these last few days for us day traders here trying to make a living doing this every day. And this is why day trading is just not an easy business to be in. Whoops. What we had was 6 trades, 4 winners and 2 losers. Russell plus 22, plus 11, plus 15. Crude plus 13. Then we had those 2 Russell losers I showed you. Total ticks plus 41. Only $30 on 3 and $330 on 5. And we closed out the week with with decent net equity. We had on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we had 4 trading days. We had 3 winning days, and we had 1 losing day. And that's just the name of the game. You just have to grind it out every day. There was not much in the 3 contracts. And obviously, after commissions, is probably a little bit of a negative day. But that's just the way it goes. This is tough. It's tough to take 2 losers in one day and then come back and have any net equity. On 5 contracts, because every single one of these winners was a second target. Clean second target, too. First target is 10, so we went 22 and 11 and 15 and 13. Every one of these trades would get filled on a second target. The 5 contracts made a significantly more amount of money. So that's our trading for Friday, closing out the 3rd week in February. You're welcome to come into the room at any time. Our trading room is open for a free trial. You can go to the website and sign up. You can also email us at info@rightlinetrading.com, or you can call us at 1-855-765-6681. Wishing everybody a safe and happy weekend.